Okay guys, I'm in Arambol right now. Welcome to another video. So it's around 4:30 in the evening and this is what it looks like at Arambol Beach right now during the season time. People are saying there are no foreign tourists, people are saying there is no crowd coming here, but this video will prove everyone wrong. There is crowd, there are foreign tourists that are coming. This entire place right till that end is packed with foreigners, guys, and as you can see, everyone is having a good time in the evening. And stick around guys, I'm going to divide Arambol in two parts. I'm going to go to the Sweetwater Lake and show you what's happening there. I'm going to show you Arambol, what is happening here. I'm going to ask people where are the rave parties that are happening, guys. So stick around till the end of the video and do follow me for more videos, guys, and thanks a lot. All right, watch till the end. So guys, as you can see, this is the main part of Arambol. I actually came right from there. The only reason is because I didn't get parking at the Arambol beach area. It's always full, so I would recommend everyone, whoever's coming, the best way to come here or commute is by bikes. So you can hire bikes or bring your bikes down, or if you have small cars also will do. But as you can see, this is all the main part of Arambol Beach, and if you can see, everyone is chilling and having a good time, guys. So yes, tourists are there, everyone is here, everyone is having a good time, so that's really good. So yeah guys, so that's what is actually happening. So you can see Indian tourists are also here, foreign tourists, you can see they are also here, and there's so much that is happening right now. You can see a lot of people at the beach area. Let me take you right down there, guys. So if you can see, everyone is having a good time, a good swim, and this is all happening before this is all happening before the New Year season. Again, this is the whole set. I mean, I would say further down is a little more empty, but this side is what is happening here at the beach. So stick around guys, again till the end of the video. You can have kids playing. And it's a pretty nice day today, yeah. It is a pretty nice day. So again, I'm heading to the Sweetwater Lake. I'm going to show you what is happening there. Is it the same crowd? Is it a different set of crowd that is at the Sweetwater Lake? But if you do like Arambol, guys, please do give a like button or comment below that you love Goa. You have a lot of foreign tourists as well. Okay, and then there's something happening. I think maybe some incident that has happened, but I want to show you the good part. But even when you're going in the waters and all, guys, please make sure you all take care of yourselves and you know, stay safe here. Okay guys, I want to see what has actually happened here. I don't want to film this, but I actually want to see what is going on and why there's so much of crowd in this area. भाई क्या हुआ? अरे गिर गया, मरा नहीं है ना? ठीक है ना सब? Okay. So guys, I don't know. Just stay safe here. Everyone is okay, I think. The guy is fine. It's just that he fell down, so stay safe, guys. That's all. Okay guys, so the sad part is done. Let's go to the happening part. There are a lot of Indian tourists guys that have come down at the beach. So as I said, this is the main Arambol Beach. I'm heading towards the Sweetwater Lake because I don't want the sun to set, so I can't show you all the place, and that's why I'm showing you all Arambol Beach first. I'll show you what is happening outside the beach. You know, probably that side, that is probably the entrance where you get all souvenirs and all. So I'll show you that at the latter part. So yeah, so stick around till the end guys. And yeah, guys, also I've seen a lot of people actually watching my videos. I'm getting a lot of views and I'm really thankful and grateful for that. But there is something that, you know, I feel that I want people to subscribe, and guys, so do comment in your videos as to what it is that I could do better to have more subscription, more people following me, more views. Alright, so your feedback is always open. I'll definitely improvise on that. So yeah, there are lifeguard stands everywhere, even that side. So see, a lot of people actually chilling down. Now that is Laughing Buddha, that place. I'll put the link in the description. That is a nice beach shack. So if you'll come down, visit that place. It has a nice crowd and all that stuff. I'll still try to find out where is the rave parties happening, guys. Anyway, this whole beach is actually called the Russian beach, but yeah, there's a lot of foreigners. I think mainly Russians, and that's what Arambol is famous for. So again, stick around till the end of the video guys. And then we'll go up there also to see what is happening at the shacks and all. Right now I'm just down at the beach, showing you all a glimpse of everyone at the waters, everyone just walking and chilling up. And then I'll go on top to show you what's happening there at the shacks as well. So yeah, stick around. But these shacks, all these shacks are now approaching the main Arambol section. And of course that entire area is the Sweetwater Lake. So let's go there and see what is happening up. So stick around guys. I was saying there are some few shacks, so you can still, this is Olive Garden. Again, most of the party and all the scenes will happen in the evening, but I'm showing you what is at the stretch. So you have Olive Garden, Buddha Tasty Restaurant, and more or less the prices are the same. Of course, food taste and everything will vary, and then booze and everything, whatever you want, is at Arambol. Again, you have a lot of crowd now coming in, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Then you have, I think there's another shack called People's. Then you have Coxtown. Why would someone keep Coxtown as a restaurant? Okay, but yeah, some hep music going on there. And if you can see, again, it is so beautiful here. People are just chilling and having such a good time. But I want to know यार, rave party कहाँ पे हो रहा है? मतलब मेरे को rave party चाहिए. But I will find out यार, where's the rave parties and all happening. So let's see, let's find out. But yeah, again, Bombay to Moscow is another place. I think Moscow is because of the Russian crowd and that whole stretch there. So yeah, I'm come down guys, again at the main beach. So you can see a lot of foreigners as well. So guys, I'm almost come to the end of Arambol strip. Okay, a lot of people having a good time. You can see people petting dogs as well. Come on, yaar. Someone's holding an umbrella. Seriously. Okay. Again, Cheeky Monkey is a nice spot. That's a good shack. Rock Lobster is another good shack. Dreams of Goa, Little India. I'll put all these names down in the description where you can pull it out, find Google, come down if you're coming down before New Year. It's a happening spot, guys. So you can always come and enjoy such a good time here. But yeah, you can see a lot of people here, a lot of hippie crowd, Russians. I like a diverse crowd here. And that's my wife there. She wants to take her own sweet time, I think, coming. But good. So yeah, and people are having such a good time. So guys, I'll still walk there, but do stick around, okay? Guys, just foreigners everywhere. Like, I'm so sorry. Don't get me wrong. The only intent of getting them in the videos, and I'm getting everyone in the videos by the way, is purely on the positive side, just to show you the crowd. See, everyone is actually chilling and having such a good time. Okay, by the way, a few blocks, I think this is the stretch. So if you go this way, so guys, I will come to this area soon, but if you go this way, this is actually the starting of Arambol, which I will show you in just some time. But I am actually headed to the Sweetwater Lake and show you in and around that area as well. So do stick around, guys. And again, so this is what's happening. I'm just going in between these beach beds. Right there, I actually came walking this whole stretch right here, and now I'm actually headed all the way that area, guys. So stick around. This video is not going to be in this video, but subscribe, follow, do support my channel, and you will see the Sweetwater Lake, guys, coming up like super soon. All right, take care, guys. See, everyone's just having such good fun here. Oh, I would recommend come this side only. मतलब वहाँ पे तो है पूरा crowd, but यहाँ पे भी ज़रूर आना. I mean, look at this. It's crazy, yaar. Whatever's happening. And look at the sunset. It's such beautiful sunset. Like, I love this area. Guys, if you all have to come, this is so cool. And people are actually saying there are no tourists, but if you actually look at this whole stretch, there are so many tourists right now, guys. So that answers most of your questions. Is Goa empty? Is Arambol empty? I would say no. So get your asses down here and have a good time, guys. It is so beautiful. It's like super beautiful, guys. Like, look at this. Alright guys, so signing off, take care and see you in my next video. A lot of people are just playing this awesome game. I wish I can play as well. But yeah, everyone's having such a good time here.